see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Mag-aalaw na pala guys, and nag-walking tayo today. Ngayon gagawin ko yung binili kong chicken. Lutuin ko na siya with a lot of this. Hindi ko ito ubusin kasi madami naman to. Gagawin ko, itry ko yung lagi kong nakikita online na yung chicken, yung parang Chinese soup. Naglagay silang apple. Ako naman, lalagyan ko pa rin ng apple, pero idadagdag ko tong apricot kasi madami tayong apricot. Ito yung walang tubig. As in yung magsasabaw yung manok. Tapos dito kukunin din yung mga ano niya, liquid. So ito try ko siya. Then sa mga bata at kay Jan, ito yung request ni Jan, chivachi. So plano ko sana lutuan ko sila ng minudo or afritada. Kaso, sabi ni Jan, nag-pork na raw kayo kahapon. Tama nga naman. So ngayon, eto na lang daw, chivachis. Tapos mag-chip sila. Tapos baka magustuhan rin ito ng mga bata. We'll see. So gawin ko muna to. And mayroon tayo dito ng ginger. Yan, ginger tapos. Ito. Maglalagay tayo ng jujube date, yung dried, and goji berry. Ayan. So, try ko siya. First time ko itong gagawin. Okay, i-prepare ko lang muna. And carrots pa pala. Ito yung chicken ko. Maliit lang yung chicken. Isa lang carrots. Okay. Gawin ko muna ito. Ihuhuli ko yung sibuyas. And dito ko lulutuin. And iniiwa ko na yung apple. Ito yung apple na binili ko para sa course ni Jan. Kumuha akong isa. Gawin natin dito. Tapos, apricot. Walang apricot yung original na nakita ko. Apple lang talaga siya. Tapos, napa cabbage. Ito, yung cabbage. Ako lang maglalagay ng apricot kasi marami kaming apricot. So, ito magsisilbi ng tamis. Kasi ang tamis nito. First time ko magluto na may prutas na ganito. Tingnan natin. Para siya yung base ng chicken. So, yan na yung apple tsaka apricot. Now, eto naman. Hindi siya kasya dito, guys. So, okay. Ayun yung chicken. Ganito siya kalaki, oh. And then ginger sa ibabaw. Lagyan natin madaming ginger. Ayan, dami niyang ginger. Yung itsura niya. Then, tatakpan ko lang siya. Then, lulutuin natin siyang slow cook for 60 minutes. Okay, yan. Excited akong tikman siya. Wala pa to, hindi ko pa siya nilagyan ng seasoning, wala pa siyang salt. Ang ilalagay lang dito ay salt and pepper, pero mamaya na lang. Natin yung chicken natin after 60 minutes. Ayan. Oops. Ayan. Nagsabaw na siya. You wanna try, my love? Lagyan ko na lang yung salt and pepper. And, gagawin ko yung mala Jamaican patty. Eto, meron tayo dito yung mga inano ko ng mga sangkap. Maglalagay lang ako ditong oil. Then, hopefully, at least agid man lang dun or similar dun sa natikman ko sa yung Jamaican patty sa Philippines. So, maglalagay lang akong olive oil. Tapos, isusutay ko yan then yung beef. And then, magbiblend din akong bread na may tubig dito para maging thick siya. So, yun ang gagawin ko. Ano mo nga yung sabaw kahit wala pa siyang wala pa tong walang salt. Ngayon lang. Malasa na siya. Malasa siya. Matamis na. Ay, nice. Mag-add akong tubig. Although may sabaw na siya. Tingnan niyo yung sabaw. Ayan yung sabaw niya. Oh. Ayan. Pero lagyan ko siya ng tubig. Hindi ko finalo yung kasi gusto ko may sabaw-sabaw. Lagyan ko ulit ng salt and pepper. Ito na pala yung bread. Instead of water, nilagay ko gatas. Wala lang. And ayan yung ating beef. So, wait. So, ayan na siya. So, siya yung mag-aak na para mag-thicken yung ating beef. So, ito na yung itsura niya, guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng cheese kasi gusto ko may cheese din. Sobrang anghang kasi 2 habanero ang nilagay ko. As in, para siyang pinatubo sa anghang. Or mas maanghang pa sa pinatubo. Dun sa Jamaican patty. Yung anghang niya, mas maanghang pa. Pero ayan na yung texture niya. Oh. Hindi tayo ng cheese. Oh, ang anghang. I-pick upin ko pa si Holly sa school. So, bukas ko na to ipagpapatuloy. Kasi gagawa pa ako ng dough. Ayan yung chicken. Alright. And yung ating Jamaican. Baon ko, pag pick up kay Holly, doon ko lang ito kakainin kasi wala pa akong kain. Ayan yung chicken. Diba nyo na kami dito sa shop kasi si Kuya, ayan, kuha siya ng lollies and drink niya. Okay? See you, Kuya. Good luck. I love you. Semi-final ngayon ng golf. Yeah. And ako, punta ko sa laundry mat. Kasi kung maalala nyo, sira yung aming sampayan. Wala kaming sampayan. Mga towels pa naman yung lalabhan ko ngayon. At uniforms nila. Doon na si Kuya. Mahiyan to si Kuya eh. Sana wag umulan. See you, Kuya. Good luck. Bye. Good luck. It's gonna be windy yan. No? Where's your other one? The one we bought, the good one.
This is a good one.
No,
This
the
is
other.
green.
No, the other one. The one we bought, the big one,
In the shed.
the good one.
In the shed.
Oh, this is lighter. Just a
This
lighter
is
one.
newer because the other one wasn't that good.
What the? We bought that one 5,000 with.
This is this. It's just
Ah.
a different bag.
Ah, okay, Kuya. Good luck, Kuya. Love you. Bye, Kuya. See ya. Love you. Ah, good luck. Blow dry ko pa yung buhok ko. Ang aga ni Kuya, magpa-practice pa kasi siya.
Get out of bed the same time. People talk about last night. Hey, I heard through the grapevines that guy just broke her heart. Are we just running backwards? Every page has got the same words. I'd rub my eyes again, but there's no point. Just play it on. It kinda seems like old news when yesterday's still ahead of you. And it feels like
Now, guys, how did you go, Kuya? Pinick up siya ni Daddy. How's the golf? You win?
Yep.
Ah, congrats. Oh, that's the only-
Please.
What? Yeah, I have one chicken left
When did you get this?
before I do laundry.
Felicity works here.
Yeah, for Jan.
Ma, did one of them
One of you. Which one? Thank you. You too. Thank you.
thank you.
Oh, I can smell the chicken.
You
Dinner.
got tissues and that, get that ready before you start.
Yes, Baba, get your
Can you go
tissue.
get it, please?
Looks nice.
That is nice.
It is nice.
Probably hot too.
Yeah. Good morning, Sunday. Punta kami ng farm kasi imumove ni Jan yung mga baka sa kabilang paddock. Si Sak, nag-sleep over kagabi, hindi pa siya umuwi. Si Kuya, nagpaiwan sa bahay. Hindi ako naglagay ng lip tint. Baka ang putla ko. It's windy, babe. Yes?
Did you color your hair?
Oh yeah. No, I didn't. I blow dry yesterday. You like it?
Yeah.
Hindi siya nag-fishing kasi daw mahangin. Mahangin nga. Oh, see that? My God. That car. Shocking turn. So yan yung ganap namin today. So baka yung clips na, etong vlog na to, iba-ibang dates. Simula kahapon, the other day. Kasi yung mga, ano lang yung ganap namin ang binablog ko ngayon. Kasi nga, dami ko na naman i-edit. Oh, BJ is already there.
She was there for a while.
Ah, okay. With a girlfriend? Yung pamangkin ni Jan nandito. Mabait itong batang to. How old he is, 21? Yeah, 21, I think daw. Ayan siya. Dito na siya sa farm. We're gonna water our plants, Baba.
She's done that. Father keeps doing
Today.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do it after we do everything.
Alright, okay. Yung hangin malamig. May dala akong jacket. Mapudla ba tayo? And dala ko yung pinakamalaki kong hat. Pero kailangan kong suotin to
Oh, nothing like a bit of chaos shit.
kasi malalim siya pag walang Etong hat. Trinay ko kanina. Kita ko sa inyo.
Going on, crippled?
Ganyan siya. Sana magstay kayo dyan. Huwag kayo mahuhulog. Okay. Wait lang. Sara muna natin. So, yan yung buko. Kahapon dinodry natin. Hindi ako nagsuklay. Pag gising ko, ginanyan ko lang siya. Nag-hot bath ako today. Hi! Ay, ano na nangyari? Pastahin. Ano na, medyo siguro sa kakatago nito, nag-ano na siya. Parang meron na siyang hole dito. Wala namang hole. Ano lang. Parang umangat lang siya. Mabigat to. So, ganyan siya. Pag hindi ko, ganyan siya, hindi ko kayo makita. Malalim siya. Malalim to. Eto, ganyan. Gusto ko siya suotin pag mainit kasi para cover yung ating shoulders as well. Hindi lang yung muka. Kaso nga, nahihirapan ako sa kanyang gamitin dahil nga, natatabunan hindi ako makakita. So, ngayon, tinry ko kanina, nag-work siya dito. As in, ganyan. Pag sobrang init, pag hindi naman gaano kainit, ito lang gagamitin. Pag sobrang init, tatago tayo. Ha? Ayan. Diba? Kita ko kayo. So, hindi ako may hirapan. So, ganyan siya. Para meron tayong parang payong dyan. Diba? Oh. Pinandami. Si Holly. Magka-Holly. Siya na yung nag-aano ng ang yabang na nitong batang to. Wow. Ang yabang. You're so mayabang na. Where's your helmet, Holly? Helmet. Your helmet. For your head. The helmet. To ride the helmet. Go get it.
That's at the back with me.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing.
Hi, Stormy. And what's the name of the other one?
She's my kind.
Ang galing nitong batang to. Ayan si Jen, nakasunod sa amin.
Tree girl, I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smiling. There's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what
So first time ko makapunta dito. Nandito yung tractor. Pupunin niyo dyan. In this area, yes. This is the end of the land. Yung aming land. Ito yung end. Ayan may fence. Kuha si Jen. Is Daddy gonna get hay?
I'm not. I like it. So he's putting the cows to eat.
He's gonna put the cows here. babuyan doon.
Look at the tiny ones.
There's a baboy. Ay.
Dad, do I turn it off?
Yeah. Yeah, you can turn it off for now. Wow! Farm girl! So proud of you, Baba. Bakit na tayo kasi malamig yung hangin. Ayan, nandito yung tractor tapos yung ibang hay. Yun yung ano ni Jan? Kaagabay dito sa farm. Kaagabay ba ang word? Ayan. Laking tulong yan. Nandito yung ibang hay, tapos nandoon sa kabil. Ayun, ayun, meron yung isa, meron doon. Yeah. Where? It's the first time ko makapunta dito. Tapos nandito yung mga baboyan ng kapit lote. Baba, you have to wear boots to Baba. I know, we're gonna find you one. Kasi eto ang tutulis nito. Oh. Yung mga baboy mo. Are they alright with all that in their hand? Ah, oh yeah. No, I don't think so, Devo. There's a yung kapitbahay namin may babuyan tapos may malaking butas. Baka pumunta raw dito. Ilalagay ni Jan dito yung mga baka. Ah, yeah, they're here. They might come out here. Ay, tumatay siya.
Sorry, can you ride that?
Ah! Ay, ay! Aray ko. That one. So we have two of those. Yung kung saan umiinom ng tubig yung mga baka. Meron din kasi doon kung saan sila lagi. Lalabas na ni Jan ang tractor.
Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday. Nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job. Never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh,
oh. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn.
House, hindi pa lumalapit dito. Ready na yung food nila, oh. Ayan na yung hay. Lilipat sila dito para kainin din nila yung grass dito. Yung mga tanim, yung mga tumubo.
So that cows can eat here.
Yeah,
The grass here.
para makain din nila yung grass dito. O, di ba, hangin na. Galing na nila yung tractor doon.
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from.
Ang galing-galing na nitong batang mag-drive. Mas safe ako sa kanya kay Kuya Sak. Kasi si Kuya Sak laging inaasar ako. A bit more. All good. She's good. Water niya na yung mga strawberries.
Ma, have you seen how much that?
Yeah, there's a lot there. Maraming bunga yung isa na naman yung lagi naman yung nagbubunga. Yun yung pinakaunang na harvestan namin ng strawberries. Ayan. Meron naman siya. Ay, sorry. Kaso nag-dry. Yung iba okay lang. Ayan. Itong mga to, hindi. Walay. How about the other? Yeah. Ito. Tapos niya na rin. Good girl.
I think water
I know, every day. Kasi lagi siyang sumasama kay Daddy pag pinipid yung horse. What you got? Is that for Tisha as well?
Yeah.
Doon kami dito sa shop. Akin na. Parang chips and coffee. Wala mo ka doon, Baba?
Yeah.
May leftover pa kaming chicken doon. Yun ang kainin ko. What time is it now? 12:55. Dito na pala si Sak. Eto, i-insert ko yung mga film niya.
Potato cake.
Nagpasensya sa mga mga nag-race. Tapos sabi, what did he say to you about this?
Bit different.
A bit different daw kasi ito yung pinasensya. Kasi ito lang daw mayroon
These
siya.
are all over Australia. This one's SA.
Okay.
This one is
Did you enjoy it?
I don't know. Well, there's
Did you enjoy it?
yes.
Ayan yung mga, let me see. Oh, there's girls too. Ayan yung mga nako. Ito yung pinanood niya.
Yeah, and there's people from like WA, Queensland.
Let me see. Ibang
There's
sport.
one from Port Mac that races.
Really? Let me see. Give me one. What it looks like. Ito yung pinanood niya ganito. What do you call this?
Posters.
No. What do you call this?
Sprint cars.
Spring?
And I was thinking
What's that?
sprint cars.
Sprint cars.
Yeah.
You enjoy it? What time you get home from that?
10. No, not 10. About 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock daw sila
They
umuwi.
normally end at like 1:30 if there was like crashes and all that, but there's only like they only just spun and all that. No crashes. Because some go over the fence.
Oh yeah, that's the one I'm scared. That's why I don't want you to watch.
Have their tie
Mm-hmm.
in. And they, like,
Are they alright?
yeah, they're fine. And, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
From the infield, bad luck, mate. What an insight that just gave us, Milby. Absolutely. We'll in-car coaching for ourselves and everyone in the house here tonight joining us on. Have you ever considered a wheel? Drop and trigger top wing 2 hours before you win your second Australian Championship. Part of the mystique.
So, ito yung chicken na tira. Ayan yung chips binigyan ako ni Holly. Hapon na guys. 4:30 na ng hapon. Ayan, gawin ko na yung mangga. Ice candy na mangga. And tonight, yung dinner na request ni Jan is creamy garlic prawns and rice, with rice. And sa mga bata, si Kuya gusto niya raw itong sweet chili chorizo. And si Kuya, nag-golf. Nag-practice lang siya. So, gagamit ako ng 3 mangga. I-blend ko to. And gagamit din tayo ng full cream na gatas. Tapos condensed milk. And maglalagay din tayong evap. So, yan. Chilyo muna. Magtitira ako na chunk na mangga para merong konti sa ice candy na manguya-nguya. Very ripe na to. Ay, ayan na yung juice. Sobrang tamis. Meron pang isang pisngi.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you.
Halo ko lang. Then, i-blend na natin siya. Oh my God. Ang bango naman. Huh? No, this is not mango shake, but this is ice candy. Yeah. Are you fishing tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, okay. Ako na magluto. Okay guys, update ko lang kayo. So, ayan na guys. Na-blend ko na. Oh! Yan lang. Ayun. Hindi ko naubos yung evap dito. Nilagay ko dito. So, texture natin. Uy, parang siyang smoothie. Oh. Oh, napaka-creamy. Wala pa tong gatas yung full cream natin. Ano pa lang to, yung evap at condense. Diba? Walang tubig. Hindi tayo maglalagay ng tubig kundi gatas. napaka-creamy. Lagyan ko pa ba itong cream? Parang hindi na. Meron kasi ako dyan na cream. Meron siyang, ayan, mga chunky na mangga. So, lagyan ko na lang din ng Devondale na cream whipping. Ayan. Isa lang. Tinikman ko, yung tamis niya okay na. Isang condensed milk lang yung nilagay natin. Ay, makasalanan na ice candy dito. Kasi wala siyang tubig, as in gatas. Oops. Gustong-gusto ni Holly yung ginawa ng lolo niya sa kanya. Eto, mas masarap kasi hindi tayo naglagay ng tubig. Kay Papa kasi may tubig yun, tapos madaming mangga. Tapos cream, evap tsaka condense. Yung pagkakaiba lang ay hindi ako naglagay ng tubig. Okay na to guys. Tapos isasalin ko siya dun sa nabili kong eto ba, para madali lang ibuhos dun sa sa plastic. Okay, magluto muna ako. Tikman ko. Sarap. Parang mapapagawa pa ako ng more. Nakasalang na ako ng kanin. Mag-start lang ako nito. Tapos lutuin ko na yung prawns. Lipat ko lang dito. Hindi ko na ito kailangan. Pasalanan. Sarap. Yan na siya. Walang ako ng toothpick. Chopstick just in case magbara kasi may chunky mangga siya, di ba? Pag naputol kayo, ibig sabihin na full na yung aking memory. Nag-transfer ako pero kunti lang yung na-transfer ko. Ay, mali yung nabutasan ko dapat dito. Okay, first natin na gagawin, eto na. Ay. O, diba? Nag-stop over siya kasi nga may chunk siya na mangga. Ay. Ay, dapat meron ako. Ayun na. Parang ang haba. Dapat mahigpit ang pagkatali niya. Ano yun? Naalala ko tuloy yung gamit ko na yung phone. Pumutok, di ba? Sumabog. Ay, ang lagkit na ng buhok ko. Ay, nako. Mapapaligot tayo ng buhok nito mamaya. But anyway, ayan. Meron na tayong nagawang dalawa. Yung aking DJI ay full na, kaya camera yung gamit ko. And nandito naman sa side is yung prawns. Babalatan ko to kasi nga ito yung ulam ni Johnny Boy. Creamy garlic prawns. What do you think of this, Saki? Tinikman ni Sak?
Not good.
Not good? Kaya pala gusto mong higupin lahat. I'm joking. Okay guys, tapusin ko na to. I-charge ko din to. Ayan, mag-transfer ulit ako. Siguro bukas na. Okay. Dalawa pa lang ang nagagawa ko. Ang hirap buksan ng eto. So, kumuha ko ng tubig para basin ko yung eto. Tapos ginaganon ko siya. And nag-work naman siya. Okay. Picture niyo talaga.
Each time